Okay guys, sorry about that. So we had to use some sandpaper and the rust inside here swelled, wouldn't let the rotor go back on, so I had to sand the stem, if you can see that, just to get the rust off so I can get the rotor on. So we got that all sanded. That rotor just slides back on.
So we're going to put that back on.
Just trying to make sure you guys can see what's going on here. So I got the 3 plug wires there on the driver's side. We're going to put this cap on. So the old one was a 7mm and the new one's a 5/16. So 1/4 inch 5/16 on a nut driver. So we can get that tightened back down here. I'll go beast mode for you.
Got the other side here. I don't like that. Okay.
So now, got to get the other wires off and back on the cap, the new one.
So, this one is,
Remember, go from your tab, got this little black tab, a little black tab.
come on.
Make sure they click.
And the last one. Alright, now we're done with that.
So, you can see that that cat was pretty toasty. It's got grooves in it. There's grooves inside there. Hasn't been done in quite a while. So, we're gonna throw that one away.
Make sure you
Put your coil wire back on the center, and it's good to go. All right, so we can put our air cleaner cover back on the throttle body. So let's get this hose hooked back up. Slides back on. This slides on here. Make sure that's tight and where it's supposed to be. Your cap's gonna sit right in the middle, like that. Put your cover back on. We'll get that tight. This straight here. All right, that's nice. Straight. Get it buttoned up. And that's it. That's your full tune-up on a 2003 Dodge Dakota V6 four-wheel drive. Thanks, and subscribe and like and share. Hey, great. Have a nice day. Thanks, Jeff Radke, YouTube.